Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, this pie was so good. So for our banana pudding pie today, we're going to use 5 ingredients. Number 6 over here is optional, which are walnuts. I'm only going to use them on half of my pie. For the other ingredients, you're going to want to use 1 pack of your favorite vanilla pudding powder, some vanilla extract, a banana or 2, whatever your preference is. We're going to need 3 cups of milk, that's 2, but the other one will come later, and 8 ounces of your favorite whipped cream topping. Let's get started. Also over here we have a graham cracker crust and a handful or 2 of the best vanilla wafers. For this recipe, we will be using our handy dandy KitchenAid mixer, but whatever mixer you have will work great. To start, we are going to pour our vanilla pudding mix into our mixer and combine it with our 3 cups of milk. So this is 2. Now that our pudding is pretty much blended, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon or 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Also, our 8 ounces of the whipped topping. Make sure that you leave enough on the side to top your pie. Now for our pie crust, I'm gonna fill this about 1/3 of the way so that I can layer my vanilla wafers in there. We're gonna take these lovely vanilla wafers and layer them in the pie. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our next layer. We're gonna add another cookie layer. I don't know about you guys, but whenever you get banana pudding or something from the store, anybody ever think that they just don't have enough vanilla wafers in it? Well, that's me. So definitely gonna load up our little pie here with as many as we can. Also, something to keep in mind, I know these cookies are pretty hard, but when it refrigerates and has a chance to like sit in the refrigerator, they soften because the cream and everything around them is gonna soak into them and make them softer. So, wow, perfect. All right, now our last layer of pie. Okay, so now to make it actually banana cream pie is our banana. Make sure you get one that's like at least mildly ripe, because if you don't, it's gonna taste like an unripened banana, and who wants that in a pie? And now I'm actually gonna cut in like a diagonal cut just to make the banana look a little longer for presentation purposes, but you can do whatever feels right to you. We're gonna put those bananas directly on our pie. Last thing for our pie are those optional walnuts. And just like that, you have the world's best banana cream pie. Go ahead and leave me some comments down below of how you like this recipe and how it turned out for you. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.